as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray.
Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first travel vlog of this year 2022. As far as I remember, the last travel vlog that I posted was last year when I went camping with my friends. This time it's going to be just me and Ashish. We're going to New Hampshire and the place we are going to is around 1.5 to 2 hours drive from Boston. Right now I'm standing in the balcony of my Boston apartment. We're just about to leave and I'm super excited for this trip because this time it's not camping, it's glamping. So let's go. So we left around 2 p.m. It was a gloomy day. I had packed some veggie wraps for lunch, so ate on the way. And after driving for around 1.5 hours, we finally reached our destination, the Getaway House. These are tiny cabins situated in the woods, not too far from the city. Each cabin has a unique name, and the one we were allotted was called Molly. We kept driving and searching for Molly and got so excited when we finally found it. Hey guys, so we've finally reached our location and I am so excited for this camping experience because this time we are not going to stay in a tent and this is where we are going to stay, inside a cabin. So deep in the woods we have our own little cabin with all the amenities, all the facilities, and it's absolutely stunning. So come on in. Along with the name of our cabin, we were also sent an entry key code a couple of hours prior to our stay, which unlocks the door. And the moment I got inside, wow! Oh my god! This is so cute! This tiny wooden cabin was fully equipped with most of the things you might need during your stay, like a comfortable queen bed with pillows and fresh linens, a little kitchen with induction cooktop, mini fridge, dishware, cookware, even some seasonings, and a cute little bathroom with flushable toilet, towels, running water, and there's even shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And yes, there's electricity too with AC and heat. The best part, however, was this iconic window to give an unobstructed view of the woods from inside the cabin. I also found this cute little handwritten note in my name along with an area guide, and they also provide you with a cell phone lockbox in case you want a digital detox, which we decided not to use. We relaxed in the cabin for a bit and then got all our stuff from the car to arrange it inside. And this is us stuffing the fridge with some cheese, cold drinks, and veggies that I had chopped beforehand because we had decided to cook out in the campfire. But before we could do that, we realized we forgot to pack something important and had to step out. Unfortunately, in the excitement, we forgot to pack our bug spray, and I think bug spray is something that's really important when you go for camping. So we have just searched a nearby store and hopefully we'll find a good bug spray here. Ashish has gone to the store to get it and I'm here sitting and waiting in the car and recording this P2C. And there he is. Guys, mosquito repellent spray is literally a camping necessity if you plan to go out in the open. We again headed to our outpost, which was just a 5 to 7 minutes drive from here. Apart from the cabin, every campsite has its own fire pit along with 2 big chairs to relax and a picnic table. It was about to get dark now and we wanted to cook while there was still enough natural light outside. So we kept all our cooking stuff on the table. And now it was time to start the campfire. There's a provision of firewood and starter kits available for purchase, so we decided to use one.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone.
The fire pit also has a grilling grate to simplify cooking. Well, the fire started easily And here's me cooking some loaded nachos for our evening snacks. Pre-cutting all the veggies literally makes it so easy and mess-free.
When the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep
And now it's all set to cook.
a bomb to people putting up.
We waited for around 15 to 20 minutes, chatting, listening to music, and in no time, our nachos were ready. Also made some guacamole, and nachos literally never tasted so yummy. I think cooking and eating out in the open makes everything taste so much better. It was getting even darker and colder, so we decided to quickly make a pizza as well before heading inside the cabin.
Is the cook ready?
Time for round 2! There's no better feeling than enjoying a cozy campfire on a cold night. Our pizza was soon done and we were ready for round 2. So our pizza has been cooking since 20 minutes and we hope it's ready now. Let's see. The pizza cooked perfectly well and we were having one of the best nights ever. In the meantime, the fire also died down, which means it was now time to get inside our beautiful cabin. The door locking system here is pretty solid. We closed the blinds and watched some web series that we had pre-downloaded on our laptop. While using the restroom, I also noticed this red first aid box attached to the wall, which I think was pretty cool. Had some nice hot green tea and went to sleep. Good morning, guys. It was such a comfortable night and this huge window makes it feel like you're in nature from the comfort of your bed, which I absolutely love.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Made some morning coffee in the kitchen. Took a nice hot shower and played some card games. Yes, these getaway houses come with playing cards and a mini library to keep you entertained. It also had a radio with an aux cord and this landline phone which we didn't really use. Really had a great time. Got a little hungry now, so it was time to cook some breakfast. And guess what we had planned for the breakfast? Hi, we're making Maggie for breakfast. Having a fully operational kitchen at such a place really helps. Also, the checkout time was 11 AM, so we quickly changed our clothes. Our Maggie was now ready. And we decided to enjoy our last meal of this trip out in the nature. It was 10:45 AM already, so we quickly packed our bags and loaded all our stuff in the car. I came back in again to make sure nothing is left, took a last glimpse at this beauty, locked the door from outside using the keypad, and left with so many beautiful memories. It was so rejuvenating to recharge in the woods. And I would definitely recommend a getaway house stay to all those living in the US for the ultimate relaxation experience. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you later. Bye!